Guys,
what's going on?
Welcome back to our kitchen. Once again, we're back with a brand new video.
That's right, guys. We've got a special fusion for you guys. The Caribbean meets African. And guys, this is one of our favorite dishes, man.
Yes, guys, we got some jerk and we have some jollof.
Jeez!
Yeah, man, jollof, man.
That's
Combining two of the world's best cuisines in the whole world.
Trust me. JJ, double J.
Hey, I love that word, innit? Jerk and jollof, it just spills off the tongue, innit?
That's right, I'm telling you.
It just spills off the tongue, innit?
And the same way this dish, the flavors just flow around the tongue, guys. You're gonna love it. Spice upon spice upon spice.
Upon spice, and it's complemented with some nice, cool coleslaw and some plantain.
Yo.
Plantain, you know?
Okay, let's not go there, bro. We don't want to cause madness in the comments.
There's no plantain around there. Get in the comment, guys. Plantain.
Trust me, guys. So yeah, man, we got this lovely jollof rice recipe that we love to use. Super simple, paired with the jerk chicken that is done in the oven. Obviously, traditionally we do it in a jerk pan, but this here you can do it from the comfort of your own home.
Trust me.
In the oven, nice and simple.
It's easy, guys. Using a jerk rub
yes.
or all-purpose seasoning. Using a rub, you can use jerk seasoning, and using a jerk paste, guys. And marinating in the tin, get that in the fridge for a couple of hours. And trust me, guys, you're gonna love this recipe. Flavors are bursting. It's one for the family as well to enjoy. And
the thing is, we say spice, but it's not hot spice, it's the right spice. Yeah, you get me? Big up yourself, guys. Subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah, man. Tell your Caribbean friend, tell your African friend. Yeah, man. All come together and eat this beautiful meal.
That's right. Big up, guys.
Yeah, man. Take care.
Enjoy.
Enjoy. Firstly, we'll start off with the chicken. We're using 2 leg and 5 quarters, so make sure the chicken is nice and clean with lemon and vinegar. No dirty chicken around here, boy. Next, score the chicken with a knife. This helps the seasoning to get deep down inside to create maximum flavour, and that's what we're looking for. Now season the ting, making sure that all the seasonings is incorporated around the chicken. The best results, marinate the ting overnight, you know, or for at least 2 hours. Place the chicken in a preheated oven for 50 minutes. You need to baste and spread that jerk barbecue sauce to help to create an amazing sweet and spicy glaze and give that jerk texture. Now for the jollof rice. Tinned or chopped tomatoes, some red bell peppers, onion, Scotch bonnet pepper, and 1 cup of water to help with that blend to make it amazingly smooth. Saucepan, add vegetable oil, onions, your garlic, and cook down until caramelized. Add your tomato puree and cook for up to 5 minutes until smooth. Now add your jollof mixture. Season with some salt, all-purpose, or some Maggi cubes, dry thyme, curry powder, a little ginger, and stir in, then bring to a boil. Now add your washed rice, but make sure the rice is washed and stir in, making sure the jollof rice is mixed in. Add a little water on top, making sure the water level is 2 to 3 centimeters above the rice. Not too deep, you know. Take it easy now. Just 2 to 3 centimeters, guys. Then bring to a boil. Bring it down to a low heat and cook for 30 minutes. Halfway through, guys, give it a stir, making sure that jollof mixture doesn't get clumped. Stir it around and then continue to steam. Let the steam do its work and the jollof rice will come out nice. Look at it, it looks delicious and it smells good now. served with some plantain, not plantain, you know, plantain. You see me? Some coleslaw, and you're nice. Enjoy, guys. Jerk and jollof, Afro-Caribbean flavor. Yeah, man.
You know, listen, guys, in the comments, do you eat chicken and rice with a spoon? I don't all the time, but I understand why people do. Just get that scoop, and it's perfectly just there. You can sit on the spoon, talk with your friends,
Yeah, man.
and then come back to the spoon and yeah, innit?
Listen, this meal is nice, you know.